Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I will talk to you guys about something very important right now. Okay, so it's not looking good. Markets are higher, but inflation is definitely ranking up, or whatever they call it, ranking up. Also, another important thing is that we might be heading towards stagnation. Um, you can see inflation. I mean, the market's going up, right? That just means when the markets goes up, everything goes up, right? If that makes sense. So we're inflationary. We're not having enough jobs created, and really everything is just not really working, right? And if the Fed cuts the rates, right, more inflation will happen, right? So just think of the market right now, right? Like when you're when the market keeps going up, yeah, it's good for whoever's like, invested, whatever. But you have to realize all of this is very inflationary because even though we had inflation numbers that came in higher, right, we're still going up, right? So I really honestly don't know what's going on, but I would be careful if that makes sense. And really just being careful of any potential really pullbacks that we have now, which would be massive. Maybe sometimes, it takes some time for the public to be like, oh my God, like this isn't good. And the fears of stagflation will only get worse. It should be a big problem already, but I guess it hasn't hit people. It's not really in the mainstream, I guess, whatever. But that's a real concern, because whatever's happening or whatever policy there is right now, it's not working. And uh, what can you do in this situation, right? Labor market's weakening, everything like that. So I expect even getting a job for people would be harder, especially college people, grads, whatever. So you really have to be careful and tread carefully. But I will show you guys some trades today, right? But yeah, so today we opened higher, like I said in yesterday's video. So we left shoulder head, right shoulder off of blue. And then I really just didn't trade the whole time today. I really got out around right, like after, I believe, right here. When there was no continuation, so I pretty much ended the day pretty early today, because I just didn't like the how the market was forming. It just didn't grab the liquidity well as either. So if any move I was looking for, like at least a short, right? But oh well, it's okay. Pretty good trades anyway today, but or ultimately this wouldn't be a day I fully commit to trading either. Like it's not really um, how I want it, the setups, but it's okay. We found a pretty good one off of purple right here in the beginning of the morning, right? Left shoulder head, right shoulder off of yellow and purple. Test right here, and that another purple setup right here. Left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, and then again test right purple. Sorry, a teal, and then final move, right? And then you see the lack of continuation, right, with the yellow. This should be yellow, but because of you. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. And now if you wanted to short it from here, right, we'd at least have to wait for left shoulder head, for some type of cup closing right here, right, and then yellow off of here, right, and then keep going down, right? So that's really if we're headed down. But again, we might do that tomorrow, just open lower. But just be careful, guys. It's not really looking good, I'm not gonna lie. And it's really more about, like, we're in a sticky situation now, right? Because I don't think inflation it would ever be close to 2%, and that's what Powell wants, but that's not gonna happen, especially with the tariffs now, right? Um, so I don't really know. I'm not an economic outlook or whatever the hell that is, but I just have a really bad feeling, and I've really I mean, it doesn't matter, but if people have the 401ks, IRAs, whatever, be careful. especially investing in times like this, right? Um, yeah, it's just not something. It's not following fundamentals, for example, right? Uh, Inflation data came out bad, but we're going up, right? So it's not really following fundamentals right now. What that usually means is people are gonna get trapped, right? So many people are gonna get trapped, like right here, right? Um, so it's really important to understand that the traps are being set, and um, when the traps are set, right, then we're gonna see the move down, right? Um, Off of right here, right? So yeah, just be patient, be ready, but don't be biased yet, right? And again, if we do keep heading up from here, at least wait till better liquidity builds, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? So you want to wait for that, and just be patient. Don't overtrade. Tomorrow's a Friday, so uh, the only way tomorrow would be good is if we do open lower, right? If we open lower, and we could take a trade from here, right, all the way down to 5 day, right? But that would be the only trade if it's set up tomorrow I will take, right? But I wouldn't really take a trade up, for example, um, unless there was like we opened higher again and then you know. But it's very risky to see it if we don't open higher or stuff. Yeah. So anyways, guys, keep it short. I warned you guys, be careful, and just pay attention, watch data, watch everything that's coming up. But yeah, thank you guys for your time. See you guys tomorrow.